I love Mark Cuban, man. He's coming out swinging. He's exposing the high frequency trading. He's exposing the market for how vulnerable it is. And within milliseconds, we can, lose money. I love the fact that he's talking about that, and I think we need more people like him. Unfortunately, Wall Street doesn't like that, right? They don't want him talking. They're like, shut up. Now, let me talk a little bit about the high frequency trading so you guys understand what's happening. Is whenever a trade is made, a sale is made on, I'm just use Facebook, okay? So right now it's at $20 a share, and it's going to go up to $21 a share. But if your client has that, it's going to make, almost a 5% gain or whatever that is. Well, what happens is all these high frequency programmers, and there's more and more coming in, what they're trying to do is beat the market before that $1 trade, and they're buying it at $20.10. And then by the time it finally closes, it only had a 90% gain. Who does that hurt? Everybody else. Who does it help? The person that bought it just before it actually sold. So that's what they're doing. Just these little milliseconds before it actually trades, bam, they traded it and they bought it and traded. They flipped it. Imagine you're a construction worker, you're going flipping homes, and you buy a home and you fix it up and you're about to flip it, right? And some, escrow officer or, real estate guy comes in and takes over your house real quick and flips it. You're going to get $50,000 and they did it for you and you only got $30,000. That's kind of the same concept as well. So high frequency, I think, is a bad thing for America, and it's hurting us. Okay. So how many of you heard of the flash crash? Wow, nobody here. Oh my goodness. Okay, one person, maybe two. Okay, a couple of you heard flash crash. When this happened, it freaked me out because for the last 5 years, I've been watching the market and watching what's going on because my eye has been on trying to create the 401k without stock market risk. So when I saw this, my jaw dropped. I go, what's going on? Why isn't this on the evening news every day? It was very hush-hush. What happened? In a matter of 5 minutes, the stock market dropped 10%. 5 minutes, mysteriously dropped. And it happened in 2010, I think it was April of 2010. That is called the flash crash. And nobody really knew what happened. They kind of said, we're going to investigate who it is. And you know what? It's probably somebody had a fat finger. That's what Mark Cuban's, a fat finger. They pushed the wrong key on the sale and the trade. Computer glitch or whatever. And then they came out with, there was this other company that had a wrong algorithm software code. And it basically triggered a domino effect. In other words, if you buy this, then sell that and sell this. So there's not even real people doing this. It's a computer programming saying, if this happens, sell all these trades or buy all these trades. It's kind of scary, right? But so we thought they kind of figured it out and they're going to start correcting it. So that's what the public official response was, right? And I think that's what I got. And that was like 5 years ago. What happens about a month ago, I'm flipping through the news and I see that they actually arrested somebody on the flash crash. 5 years later, they arrested somebody. They arrested a 30-year-old kid in London working out of his house who bought a software program and basically spoofed the market. Now, I don't think, there's no doubt he was involved in this because he had called one of the big fund managers about a month earlier, and they have records of him calling in and saying, would you have a problem if I did this? And they said no. And if you read the report and so forth, no, they didn't say anything, so he figured he had the green light to do it. But let's just put it, I don't think he was the only one involved in this. I think he's just the only one that got caught. And he's a good patsy, good scapegoat. Hi, this is Alvin Parr, and thanks for watching. If you want more information on the GreenLine 401k, click on the link on this video.